Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will tell you that how to book AirSial tickets in an agent ID. First of all, select your sector. Here you can see different fare with different baggage policy of the airline. Select your desired flight and your desired baggage. It depends upon the customer. So I have selected the fare without baggage and click on the here you can see different policies of the airline. I have accepted it. Now you can put your contact information and passenger detail according to the passport record. First time, last time, passport number, expiry date, and date of birth of the passenger. Now you have put all the data according to the passport record, passport number, passport expiry date, and date of birth of the passenger. Now click on the next option. Here you can see that you have successfully reserved your itinerary or ticket for the passenger. Here you can see different options and you can see the payment option. Now first of all, check the detail of your ticket, date, sector, name of the passenger, and passport number of the passenger. Here on the top of the window you can see panel option. Click on the panel option. It will lead you to the next window and OTP will send to your email. Open your email. Here you can see your OTP. Copy your OTP and put your OTP in the window. Here you should put your OTP and accept. Now you have successfully purchased your ticket and the barcode is seen on the top of the ticket. You can hide the fare on the ticket and you can get print of the ticket. Click on the print option. Now you have successfully downloaded your ticket. Click on the print option and print your itinerary and hand it over to the customer. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly share the video, comments on the video, share the video, like the videos, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.